Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the IQ18 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the IQ18 puzzle is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame, which will be much harder than removing parts from the box. As you can see, there are a lot of parts and there are 3 different sizes of parts. There is a small square, there are 3 parts like this, there is another square, actually that was a cube, there is a square, and there are 13 parts that look like rectangle. So in total there are 18 parts and you have to figure out the way how to put all of them inside the frame. At the first glance it may look easy, but actually it will be quite a challenge, and you will find it when you will put most of the parts inside of the box and you will end up with one piece that doesn't fit and it looks like there is no space for this part. Like for example, I'm just trying to stick all the parts inside and you see that all parts are inside except for this little cube, and there is not enough space for the cube since we have just a small space here, but not a cube size space. So you have to find the correct way how to put everything back inside the box. If you like the IQ18 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.